All right, let's talk about NASA's incredible Artemis 2 mission, humanity's big return to the moon. After 50 years, we're finally heading back. So, is this just a rerun of Apollo?
Not even close. Apollo was a sprint, a race. Artemis is about setting up a permanent base.
Artemis 2 is that first critical test flight with a crew aboard the new Orion spacecraft. And meet the crew. This international team is about to make history with several amazing firsts.
So once they're safely in orbit, they have one huge decision to make before heading out.
It's called the translunar injection, or TLI. This is the big burn that sends them to the moon.
And here's the deal. Once that engine fires, there's no turning back. They're all in.
The whole point is to accelerate Orion to an incredible 25,000 kilometers per hour.
To put that in perspective, that's like the acceleration of the world's fastest supercars.
But before that, there's a very precise roll call to make sure every single system is go. Then comes that final, history-making call you hear from Mission Control in Houston. And the crew, from their capsule integrity, confirms that they are also ready to go.
Okay, so with the burn complete, they're on what's called a free return trajectory.
This path basically uses the moon's gravity to whip them around and send them back to Earth.
Which means they'll be the first people to see the far side of the moon since 1972. And they're not just matching history, they're going to travel farther from Earth than anyone, ever.
They'll fly further than the record set by the Apollo 13 crew during their famous emergency.
So why is this 10-day trip such a big deal? Well, it's basically one giant test flight.
It's all about testing the key systems that will keep future astronauts safe.
You can think of this whole mission as the final dress rehearsal before we land again.
And that next mission, Artemis 3, is the one that will actually land on the moon's south pole.
Which really makes you wonder, what exactly are we going to build on the moon next?